Hey everyone, Lenovo has made a splash in the gaming space, with the official release of two new devices aimed at mobile gamers. The Legion G7 gaming controller and the Legion Y700 2024 tablet. Both products are tailored to meet the demands of serious gaming enthusiasts who want top-tier performance and precision on their mobile devices. The Lenovo Legion G7 is an advanced gaming controller developed to elevate the mobile gaming experience. Its standout feature is the Hall effect joysticks, which offer significant advantages over traditional mechanical joysticks. These joysticks provide increased precision and sensitivity while reducing stick drift, a common issue with mechanical sticks over time. This not only ensures smoother gameplay, but also enhances the controller's durability. Another notable feature is the USB-C port, allowing for a direct no-latency connection to both smartphones and tablets. This eliminates the common lag associated with Bluetooth connections, making the G7 an attractive option for competitive gaming. Customization is a key aspect of the G7's appearance. The interchangeable faceplate allows users to personalize the controller's appearance, while the accompanying software provides options for configuring the ABXY buttons for specific game settings. Two programmable back buttons and analog Hall effect triggers further enhance the controller's adaptability, providing a console-like experience for mobile gamers. For added convenience, the G7 includes a 3.5mm audio jack and USB-C pass-through, charging for uninterrupted gameplay. The Legion G7 is currently available for pre-order in China for approximately $71, with worldwide availability yet to be announced. Given its robust feature set, it's poised to be a strong contender in the growing market for premium mobile gaming controllers. Alongside the G7, Lenovo has also introduced the Legion Y700 2024, a powerful gaming tablet that caters to the needs of gamers seeking portable yet uncompromising performance. The tablet's 8.8-inch display is a highlight, offering 500 nits of brightness, a 165Hz refresh rate, and a 2560 by 1600 resolution. With its DCI-P3 color gamut, the tablet ensures vibrant and accurate colors, making games look stunning. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, guarantees blazing fast performance, allowing users to run even the most demanding games without lag. The tablet also features a 10,004 square millimeters vapor chamber, providing excellent thermal management to keep the device cool during long gaming sessions. The Super Control dynamic screen minimizes reflections and glare, enhancing visibility in various lighting conditions. The Legion Y700 2024 is clearly positioned to compete with other high-end gaming tablets on the market. Its performance specs and thoughtful appearance make it a standout option for gamers who want a balance between portability and power. Lenovo's Legion G7 controller and Legion Y700 2024 tablet show the company's commitment to delivering high-quality gaming devices for mobile platforms. The Legion G7's innovative features like Hall effect joysticks and programmable buttons make it a versatile tool for serious gamers. Meanwhile, the Legion Y700 provides an immersive gaming experience with its high refresh rate display and top-tier performance hardware. Together, they form a powerful duo for anyone invested in mobile gaming. With global availability on the horizon, these devices are set to make a significant impact in the gaming world. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.